In today's video, I'll teach you how to update Google Wallet app. So if you want to update the Google Wallet application, it is actually very simple. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Or if you're using the Apple device, what you have to do is open the App Store. Now in the Play Store, tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now after you do that, what you have to do is search for Google Wallet. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Google Wallet and tap on it. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find this option for update. What you have to do is tap on it. Now wait for a while. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a while to update the app. Now after a while, you can see over here Google Wallet application will be updated. After the update is completed, all the bugs of the application will be fixed and you'll also be able to access the latest version of the app. So that is how you update Google Wallet app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.